Hey foot friends, spring has sprung and it's time to step up your feet content game with FeetFinder. Today, I've got fresh, fun, and fabulous feet content ideas that will put a spring in your step and seriously boost your engagement. From garden goddesses, aesthetic cute, pastel pedicures, there's something here for everyone. So kick off your shoes and let's jump in.
First up, let's dive into spring picnic vibes. Think barefoot, nestled on a comfy blanket, surrounded by vibrant flowers, tasty snacks, and a breezy dress fluttering in the wind. Don't forget to snap those close-ups with toes curled in the grass or playful shots holding strawberries between your toes. Trust me, your followers will love this cheerful and charming look. Now let's talk bloom walks. Get those feet stepping through fields bursting with colorful blossoms or botanical gardens. Go barefoot or slip into strappy sandals. Either way, capturing your toes among spring blooms is sure to delight your audience. Bonus points if you sprinkle petals around your feet for an extra dreamy effect. Pastels are the official color of spring, so why not treat your toes to a pastel pedicure photo shoot? Soft pinks, gentle lilacs, minty greens. Frame your feet with delicate flower petals or cozy blankets. Get creative with different angles and lighting to highlight those fresh, colorful toes. It's pastel perfection. Spring showers brings photo powers. Rainy days can offer super cozy vibes or playful adventurous snaps. Capture barefoot feet curled up near a rainy window, enjoying a warm drink or reading a book. Your followers will adore those cozy comfort moments. Let's hop right into some Easter-themed feet content. Decorate your feet alongside pastel eggs, cute bunny ears, or spring-themed decor right in your kitchen. Maybe even hide your toes among some Easter eggs for a playful, festive feel. Bright colors and playful setups are perfect for capturing this joyful holiday spirit. Step into your garden goddess era by capturing beautiful barefoot gardening moments. Show your feet gently planting flowers, watering blooms, or relaxing barefoot among lush greenery in your backyard. The fresh, natural look is guaranteed to engage your followers and showcase the beauty of spring.
Combine fresh spring fruits like strawberries, cherries, or juicy peaches with your feet pics for mouth-watering content. Capture cozy barefoot moments on your patio surrounded by vibrant fruit and sunshine. Delicious and delightful, a recipe for engagement success.
Who doesn't love a little pampering? Create relaxing spa vibes by capturing your feet soaking in a luxurious floral foot bath in your bathroom. Add floating flower petals and essential oils for a touch of spring luxury. Your followers will soak up this soothing and aesthetic content. Make spring cleaning fun and fabulous by shooting barefoot POV shots, vacuuming, dusting, or organizing your living room. Spice it up with cute anklets, painted toes, and messy buns, turning chores into engaging, relatable content. Yes, please. Well, there you have it. Creative spring-inspired feet content ideas to freshen your feet and skyrocket your engagement. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips and tricks on how to sell your feet pics online. And for even more fantastic feet-focused topics, be sure to check out FeetFinder at www.feetfinder.com. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep stepping into success.